Hey, Boulevard TV, we back with some more action. Trying to get that boy tipping on him. Y'all see him in that leg, in that Lincoln. Check him out. Check him out. Get y'all some action. Y'all see that boy in that purple thing coming down. Check him out. Y'all see him coming down. And he on bad. Check that boy out. He coming backwards on him. Y'all see him? Y'all see that boy going backwards. He got a convoy behind front of him. Look at him. Y'all see him coming down. That house so clean. I ain't gonna lie to you. Then you got the Benz. See that boy in that leg, huh? That gold thing. That's clean. Yeah, we got charges and stuff out here too, and that's a female. What it look like after block party. Check that boy out. He clean. He wet. You ain't gotta always have no wheels just to be clean. Boulevard. I'm gonna get y'all some driving action. See what I can get y'all. Get y'all a little driving action. We on the way to the next location. Y'all see that boy in the Porsche though. He clean. I ain't gonna lie. He got the gold tips on the thing and everything. Check him out. Y'all see them boys up there cutting up, huh? Y'all see them boys up there cutting up. Getting y'all all this driving footage. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Boulevard TV. I'm really the only one that can do this. I ain't gonna lie to you. Y'all see them boys up there cutting up. Look at them. Check them out. Y'all see them boys, we still tipping. Y'all see them boys, getting y'all all this footage. Check them out. Check them out. Check them out. Y'all see them? Come on. Check them out. Y'all see them? Check them out. Y'all see them? Check them boys out. See them boys coming down. Yeah, I see them boys. That's how you hog the block. Check them boys out. Y'all see them? That's how you do on the south side. Check them boys out. Y'all see them? That's how you do. That's how you come down. Y'all see the Porsche. Check that boy out. Y'all see the wing come up on that boy? Y'all see that boy? What he say? You small talking. Y'all see that shit? Check him out. He say he giving y'all 24 rays, huh? And 24 reasons? Check him out. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. BLVDTv. Hey man, say man. Y'all see that trunk? That boy said, who ain't getting money? That's that teal. That's that teal line. Y'all see them boys? Y'all see them boys? That's that teal line. Check them out. That's Uncle G, y'all see him. Check him out, Dr. Glad. If y'all ever need anything, any more stuff, check him out, that's Dr. Glad. He changed it back up.
To the game when you swing and switching lanes. Like a bird, I'm ripping grain. Paint full of sugar cane, cause it's candy. Never catch me saying it. Cool in my belt, got a nigga stand hand in the fast lane. Coasting when you wide open while I'm shaking the poker.
Check them boys out, y'all see them? BoyzNSlabs, y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm getting y'all all this little footage at the second location. Check them out. Come together. Y'all see us at this function.
Say what you want, but on my soul, I ain't changing it.
Yeah, I really should. This bitch keep asking me, can we fuck? Can she get the tip? No teasing. But I'ma fuck that hoe and then I'ma do. Just left sex. Just spent like 3,000 on some fucking drill. Yeah, on some fucking drill. See the op in the fucking ball and he ain't do shit. Why y'all broke ass niggas be talking about me? I don't even know shit. Walking the party, looking for the ops. I'm on that fuck shit. All I'm fucking that hoe cause I can't trust shit. Riding in that fast shit. Never in that slow shit.
Check that blue out, y'all see? Y'all see them boys in blue?
BLVDTv.